In this video, I'll show you how to fix any problems that you're having with your HDMI connection on your TCL TV. I'll show you a few tricks and a few solutions, so let's get started. First thing that you should try that is very easy and fix almost all problems is to unplug all HDMI devices from your TCL TV and then unplug the TV from the electricity, so the wall socket, during 5 minutes. Don't plug it back. In the meanwhile, I want you to find the power button and press on it during 30 seconds. This button is often located on the back of your TCL TV or sometimes under it. Keep your finger there pressed during 30 seconds and then release. When the 5 minutes has passed, you can plug back your TV in the wall socket, and one by one then you can plug back each HDMI devices. This should fix your problem. If this didn't work, I suggest that you try using another HDMI cable. I'm sure you have one laying around your house, so pick it up and try using that one. With time, HDMI cables sometimes stop working properly. And this is a very easy way to know if it's the TV's fault or the HDMI cable fault. I also put in the description a link to Amazon if you want to get a brand new one. So check it out, it's also supporting my channel. Another solution is to take your thumb or your fingers and press on the HDMI port on your TCL TV. Sometimes things get disconnected behind the port and it's not working properly. So if you push on it with your finger, apply some pressure there, push many times, sometimes you're able to reconnect that port. You can also use the HDMI cable when you connect it back to push into that port to make sure that it's well connected. A thing that you can check if this didn't work is that you have selected the right HDMI source. So to do that, on the back of your TCL TV, each HDMI ports have a number from 1, 2 or 3. On your remote control, you should select source. There should be a button called source over there. And select the right HDMI port. So if your device is connected HDMI number 2, make sure that you select number 2 on the screen. Some TCL TVs even have an input button in the back. Just by pressing it, you can switch between all the HDMI ports and select the right one. If nothing works, you can also factory reset your TCL TV. I have put on the screen here all the steps that you need to follow. This will delete all the apps you downloaded and all your profiles from the TV. It will be like new. So again, this could help you fix your HDMI problem. I hope this was useful. If it worked, please leave a comment down below. If you have other tips that may help fixing this HDMI problem on a TCL TV, again, please type them. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful. Thanks for liking this video and I will see you in the next one.